In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Adobe Acrobat extension from Chrome. If the Adobe Acrobat extension is showing up in your Chrome browser and you no longer want to use it, the good news is that removing it is very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to your Adobe Acrobat home dashboard. This helps make sure you're in the right working environment before you manage the extension in Chrome. Once that's open, shift your attention to the top right area of your Chrome browser where your extension controls are located. Next, click on the puzzle icon in your browser bar. This is the extensions menu in Chrome, and it's where you can view all the extensions currently installed in your browser, whether they're pinned to the toolbar or not. If you don't immediately see the Adobe Acrobat extension icon itself, don't worry. The puzzle icon is the easiest place to find it. After opening that menu, look for the Adobe Acrobat extension in the list. Beside it, you'll see three dots, which open more options for that specific extension. Click on those three dots next to the Adobe Acrobat extension you want to remove. This menu gives you a few management options, and the one you're looking for is the removal option. From that menu, click on Remove from Chrome. This tells Chrome that you want to uninstall the extension from your browser. At this point, Chrome will usually ask you to confirm the action, just to make sure you didn't click it by accident. When the pop-up appears, click Remove to confirm. Once you do that, the Adobe Acrobat extension will be removed from Chrome. In most cases, the extension disappears right away, and you won't need to restart your browser. If you're removing the extension because it's causing browser issues, this can sometimes help improve performance or reduce unnecessary toolbar clutter. And if you ever need the extension again in the future, you can always reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. That's all there is to it. As long as you go to your Adobe Acrobat home dashboard, open the puzzle icon, click the three dots next to the Adobe Acrobat extension, choose Remove from Chrome, and then confirm by clicking Remove. You'll have it uninstalled in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove the Adobe Acrobat extension from Chrome quickly and easily.